Now, students at Evergreen High School had a truly unique graduation experience today. Their graduation was the only one held at Red Rocks today, so students and parents had to sit through the snow this entire morning. We're sure some of them didn't mind, though. It's a very exciting day. Our Rob Harris joins us from outside the Denver Coliseum, where Columbine High School's graduation was moved inside from Red Rocks. Rob, they seem to handle the change pretty well.
Yeah, by all things considered. And in fact, the ceremony just wrapped up about an hour ago. We still have some stragglers here with seniors wishing each other good luck and celebrating the year that they had. But like you mentioned, they were supposed to be walking across the stage at Red Rocks, and they were hoping for a beautiful Colorado spring day. Wasn't exactly what Mother Nature gave us, so the leadership of the school moved it here to the Denver Coliseum at the last minute. And before the ceremony started, I got to talk to a few of the graduating seniors to take their temperature on how they felt about this change. And to be honest, they were a little disappointed because quite a few told me they had been dreaming of that Red Rocks graduation experience. Many of them have siblings who have had that same experience before. They wanted to have it too. But they also told me that they've learned to be resilient over the past few years as COVID changed so much of their high school experience. So really, they were just glad they got to have an in-person ceremony, period.
It's always been a dream, like graduating at Red Rocks. It's just such a pretty place, but I think just being able to be here and like dressing up, being nice, and not having to worry about cold weather.
Our families still get to come, and like we all still get to be here as like one big class.
We've dealt with a lot already in high school, and we're kind of used to it at this point, but obviously we were sad about it, but we're glad that we could just graduate in general.
Let's go! Yeah, so as you can see in here, I think they're going to be fine. They weren't too sad about their graduation here. And the Columbine seniors are not alone in having to change their last-minute plans. Chatfield had to move their graduation from Red Rocks to the Coliseum too. And many other high schools have had to either move inside the school gym this weekend or delay their graduation by a couple days or a day to accommodate for the winter weather. So with the announcements we've received, we've compiled a list up at thedenverchannel.com with those graduation plans. And